beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to be talking about how to get beautiful heatless curls, and the best part about them is they are totally inexpensive, and the second thing is it is not going to harm your hair. Also, you do not need to go to any expensive services to get them done. You can easily do it at home. And today I'm going to be using these rod, and they are made up of foams. So I'm going to apply this in my hair and I'll leave it overnight, and I'll show you guys the results in the morning. And actually this is the look it is gonna give me. I am very impressed with this, and as you guys know, festive season is coming up and you might want to try new things which makes you look stand out, so you can definitely go for this one. Also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean everything to me. So let's get into the video now.
So guys, these are the foam curlers and they have metal string inside it, so you can move it in whichever way you feel like. And you should ideally do it with the damp hair once you come out of shower and your hair are 75% dry. That is the ideal way you should do it, but obviously my hair was dry and I had to shoot this video, so I made my hair damp using a spray bottle. After that, I am going to take a section of my hair. I'll take this rod and I'll curl the hair around this rod like I'm trying to show in the video. Do not go very tight with this, otherwise it is gonna make your hair pain. So I am gonna as I need loose curls, so I'll do it in a very loose way. Once you are done it, you reaches the crown of your head, you can twist it around and it is gonna stay that way. It will not move. That is the best part about it. So I'm done here like this. I'll take the another section of my hair and I'll repeat the same process. I'll take this rod and I'll curl the length of my hair around it. It's super simple and super easy, guys. You do not require any kind of expertise to do it. And I am done here. I'll repeat the same process on the entire length of my hair. I'll take section of hair and I'll curl this around this rod. I have used 5 of them here. They are total 10 in number. If you feel like that you should use more, then you can definitely do it. I am done here and I'll leave it overnight.
So guys, it's morning now. I have done few of the things. Now I'm gonna open them up, and I'm pretty amazed with the way they have stayed on overnight. Although the hair have got a little frizzy, but I am super excited to open these up and I'm really expecting some amazing results. So I'll open this up now. Okay, I'll start from here, the first one. So guys, if you can see how short my hair have gotten. Okay, I'll open the next one up. This is how they're gonna look. Let me open all of them and then I'll show you the final results. So guys, this is how my hair look, and I'm pretty amazed with the result. It is giving me entirely different look, and I know they are little raw and they are looking like little unmanaged, and I'm loving them so much. And guys, the best part is they are heatless curls, and I hope that they are gonna stay for a longer time. And if you want them to stay like this for a very long time, then obviously you can use a setting spray, but I'm not gonna use them because I do not want to use so many chemical products on my hair. But I love this, guys, and these rods are something which is super cheap. They are available online, and I'm gonna provide this link to this product in the description box below, so you can easily buy from there. One thing I'm guaranteeing you is it's not costly at all. I'm not able to recall the price right now, but it is not at all costly. You can definitely go for this, and also it is a very convenient option to go for rather than going for the heat rods which are available in the market, because they really damage your hair. So this is something. And talking about sleeping over them, it was slightly uncomfortable, but as they are super soft, if you can see, they have this foam around them, so you can definitely sleep on them if the result is gonna be this. And guys, the only thing I'm concerned about here is how shorter my hair it had made me look. I have never got my hair curled this way, so this is a very different technique, and I'm really impressed with this one. But obviously when your hair are gonna curl, the length is gonna appear shorter, so it's fine there. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful, and talking about this thing, it is really amazing. You can definitely go for this one, and this is not at all expensive. I am not able to recall the exact price, but this is not expensive, and I'll leave the product link in the description box below so you guys can buy it if you want. You should definitely buy it, actually. This is what I feel. And you can give me any suggestion, any kind of video you guys want me to do, and if you have any queries related to this, you can let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys. And talking about a little thing which I find uncomfortable was it's a little uncomfortable sleeping with these on, because obviously usually I sleep with my hair open, and I had something in my hair, so I knew, but the results are worse in the morning. Also, this is made up of foam, so it is super soft. It is not gonna make you feel like super uncomfortable, like you have something in your hair on you and you cannot sleep. It's not like that, of course. So I guess I have pretty much covered everything. If you still have something to ask, just let me know. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. Also, make sure that you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. Also, make sure to follow me on my social media, links to which I'll leave in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.